What's up, YouTube? Yeah, it's been a little while since the last time I did a road ride. Gonna to load the bike up and head on over to Greensboro and do a road ride. I think we're gonna head down to Liberty, North Carolina from Greensboro and back up. Small loop, 55 miles. And check out a covered bridge. Maybe I'll get some video footage of this covered bridge in Kimesville, I believe it is. So, you know, fun times, I'm sure. I think it's gonna be warm. Definitely bringing some water with us to stay hydrated and maybe hydrate with a couple beers afterwards. Sounds like a plan to me, so. Through downtown on Elm Street. Flat number 3. Definitely a hot one today. Don't want nothing to do with this for a while, man. Whoa.